Adrenaline pumping for those on the road as a blue convertible flashes by, LAPD in hot pursuit. But for those watching chopper live streams from above,
he's going to squeeze right by there.
It was a wild joyride that got more LA by the second. First, the top comes down, then random donuts across several lanes.
And these guys are just taunting officers.
They crash near the Hollywood Hills, then start showboating down the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
That guy literally running out of the way.
And of all the vehicles out on the highway, a TMZ bus driver tries to box the suspects in.
Look at them. They are getting involved.
But they slide by, losing a tire near USC and finally stopping in South LA to a crowd of people.
These guys high-fiving each other.
Handshakes, hugs, then some lounging on their Mustang.
Shake your hand, young man.
This picture of them waiting for LAPD to take them to jail now going viral. While it looked like many in the crowd were thinking, first, let me take a selfie.
This is probably one of the wackiest ones that we have followed.
A bizarre end to a chase that left everyone saying, only in LA. For today, Gotti Schwartz, NBC News, Los Angeles.
Here comes that Challenger.
Is this static?
Golly, dude. He's back. You can do it now. Turn the traction control on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! No! Send it to me! Send this shit to me! Go ahead! Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit. Oh shit, dude. What the fuck, dude? Oh shit, it's smoking. Holy shit. Oh shit, dude.
Oh, they're Bugatti. Oh, then I'm coming. Dude, did you hear that? Oh my god. Dude, I'm like, don't make your money, come on. Oh my god, you hear it.
just went inside.
BMX rider in hot water after riding over a Lamborghini. Oh no, you didn't. In Portland, Oregon, a BMX rider jumped a shiny orange Lamborghini just outside Jake's Famous Crawfish. The rider, Josh Navarro, is now in hot water as the incident is being investigated by the police. This stunning Lamborghini is owned by Kelly Howard, a frequent patron of Jake's. A restaurant manager and many others witnessed Navarro jump over the car and bolt through the streets, disappearing within seconds. The Lambo needed some minor repairs. Hey Josh, that may have just been kicks for you, but do you know how much one of these costs? Ever heard of respecting other people's property? Josh Navarro boldly publicized his stunt on Instagram and received both praise and criticism. Navarro's YouTube page also contains a few videos where he recklessly rides his BMX in inappropriate places. So is this yay or nay? Leave your comments below.
Rich douche crashes Ferrari into highway wall in Dubai. Rich douchebags filming themselves drive their obscenely expensive supercars usually make for extremely boring videos. But not this one. The Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, it has a 6.3-liter, 731 horsepower engine, and a price tag of $320,000. This speed racer from Dubai thought it would be a good idea to take it out on the highway for an illegal drag race. The footage was filmed by the douche's friend, who apparently is driving an AMS Alfa GTR. The video starts out with the Alfa speeding ahead, but then the Ferrari takes off down the highway. Fortunately for us, the driver can't drive very well, so when the car up front suddenly changes into his lane, he hits the brakes and loses control, swerving to the right, but overcompensates and introduces his brand new car to the wall. Fast and Furious 8, anyone?
Rich boy races Lamborghini, crashes and kills pedestrian. Police arrested Wei-Young Lautner, age 24, after he crashed and killed a pedestrian while racing his brand new Lamborghini. Lautner's parents had just gifted him a Lamborghini the day before, and Lautner decided to go street racing with a friend who owned a Ferrari. Lautner lost control of the vehicle and crashed into 51-year-old Kuswan To as he was walking home. The Lamborghini crushed the pedestrian into a tree where he died instantly. 2 others were also injured in the crash. Lautner only sustained minor injuries in the crash, and police are still searching for his...
Bravissimo, Complimenti. Oh shit! Holy shit! What the fuck, man? that.